Why peer review is important to a creative practice. Design is rarely a solitary practice. As a designer, you might be working with clients or have a boss you need to report to. You might also be part of a design team or even managing a team of your own. You might be asked to present a project to stakeholders at a company or pitch your services to a new client. Ultimately, your design needs to stand alone, but in the process of making design, you should be testing out your ideas with an audience, getting feedback, and developing your design accordingly. Design is very intertwined with communication, and to be a successful designer, you need to be able to talk about your work, to explain it, and show that you understand how it's working. In different situations, it may be necessary to explain your own work and other people's work in a clear and constructive way. So in this course, you'll be engaging in peer review to evaluate the work of your peers as well as get feedback on your own work. If you're serious about working as a designer or improving your design skills, consider peer review as excellent practice. In peer review, you'll be asked to observe and openly reflect on what is working and not working in a peer's graphic design submission. The goal of this exercise is to help your fellow designers move their work forward, and for you to get that same advice in turn. Additionally, it's for you to practice a working vocabulary and discourse around making graphic design, all of which will help you with your future path as a designer. The next video will give you some specific tips for completing peer review within the specialization.